Okay, be stirring it, or else the one that is down will turn golden brown or might burn, while the one that is on top will not be ready. So keep on stirring it on low heat. And this peanut, custard peanut is going to taste yummy. Looking at how it is coming, like it is given. The smell is good, and then the color too is given, right? Okay, let's ready about to take it from the oil. Transfer it here. Go ahead and check it like this. Separate the garlic from the granules, and some of the granules has fallen into the garlic because the host of this, I don't know what the name is. Do I call it sieve or what? So the small ones have fallen into the garlic. I'll go ahead and remove them one by the other because they are good. They are not bad granules. Okay, I've been frying for 15 minutes now. As you can see, the garlic has turned brown. Brown, and the smell of the granules, our peanuts has changed. We are frying granules, and it has some smell. When that smell starts to come, you see that very soon your granules is going to be ready. And as you can see, some of them I feel like it is burning, so you lower your fire. Yes, you can see the 20 minutes has, and as you can see well that our granules has really changed. Even the garlic has really changed a lot, and our granules is ready now. So we go ahead and transfer it into a sieve or something like this. Separate the garlic from the granule. Okay, as our granules is ready and the rest of the ingredients is with us, we have our all-purpose flour. That's a soft one. Then we have egg here, like as you can see, 2 eggs. And there's something about this egg. The egg is alive. Please, if you say eggs alive, meaning when you crack the egg, the yolk will separate from the white, meaning your egg is good. And then we have here sugar, and then we have here milk and baking powder and a pinch of salt, and our flavor is here, and not milk. So let's get started. I'm going to mix, going to add in all our dry ingredients together. I'm going to add in my nut milk, as you can see. The nut milk, you well, where I will transfer my egg inside, then my milk inside. Please, if you don't have milk, you can use powdered milk instead of milk. I'll add my flavor. That's 1 tablespoon of flavor. And I'll stir it until all is well mixed. Okay, as you can see, you'll be shaking it. So this one, I'm going to spread in the liquid one. Then I'll shake it. After shaking it, I'm going to spread some flour on it. Then shake it. Okay, so when you are shaking it, and then you come across the one that has stuck together like this, you separate them. So when you are frying, it will come out nicely. Okay, so we are done with this process. We are going to fry it. We are going to fry our custard peanut. That's our Aboagye. Really tired. To shake it. Wow, so it's ready now. I'm going to sieve it small before some of the flour is down. Okay, as I told you earlier, I'm using one hand to do everything. One hand for holding the phone, the other one to do the thing. So some of the, as you can see, I'm shaking. You can see some of the flour is coming out. So our oil too is on fire. That is well heated. So we're going to put it in. Let's try. It's hot. So let's be quick. Going to stir it like this. You keep the fire on low so it will well fry nicely. Wow, wonderful people of our YouTube channel. As you can see, our custard peanut is ready, and I'm cracking one for you to see that it has really become crunchy. The granite is inside, and then the other part too is outside. As you can see, that's our custard peanut. We thank God for how far He has brought us. And please, this one you can use it to start as a small business if you are working already, and if you are not working, please, you can do this one to start earning something small. And please, I've packaged some of them in 3 different packaging that I've done, so you can choose any of them. And then do it, and trust me, it is going to help you. This one is very small, cute bowl, and then we have here bottle here. You can also use that one as used for your packaging of your coastal peanuts. Okay, so thank you for everything. Thank you for your love, your support, your like, your share, and your comments. Please don't forget to ask any question that you want to ask, and please don't forget, and please tell me in the comment section which of this packaging that you like. I mean, which of them took the highest mark. I want to know, lovely people, I want to know. So we thank God for how far He has brought us. God bless you all for your like, share, and comment. Please don't forget, if you are watching this video and you have not followed us yet, please follow us and like, comments. See you next time with another beautiful and wonderful video. Bye.